Hello everyone, welcome back. So today topic is that we are going to run our JMeter script with the help of Ant. If you have any inquiries, you can call me on 94140543312 or you can drop a WhatsApp. If you want to purchase these videos, if you want to take personal training of JMeter, Selenium, APM, ETL, please let us know. Okay, so today we first of all for Ant we need to configure Ant. Okay, for that you need to download the Ant. See, I have downloaded this Ant from our Apache website. Okay, I have downloaded. Okay, go to its bin path and copy this bin path. Fine, and after that go to my PC properties, advanced settings, environment variable, and go to path and add your Ant variable here till bin. See what I have done? I have done the same. Okay, okay, okay. Now go to command prompt to verify whether it is correctly configured or not. Go to command prompt. Okay. Before going to command prompt, just go to your JMeter folder. I am going to my JMeter folder. Here you will see an extra folder. Okay. And under extra folder, you will find a file known as build.xml. See, build.xml is the very important file for Ant. Okay. And there is one more another important file you will get, that is ant dash jmeter 1.1.1. It depends on the version. I think I got this is latest. This means that jmeter is giving support to Ant. Okay. Before that, I have to do one thing. Go to your jmeter. Okay. When I am having multiple scripts. So what I do, see, these are CMD, control, CPU. Okay, these are multiple script I have created in front of you only, guys. Okay, so copy it, take some scripts. Fine. Okay, listeners, copy it and let's put it in a new folder. Okay, let me put it in the drive, Jupyter scripts. Okay, open it, takes this path. Okay, now go to your bin folder, that extra folder of Jupyter. Fine. Now open your build.xml with the editor you are having. Okay, I am opening with Notepad++. Fine. Now see, go here and what I am doing, I am changing this value and I am putting that path which is having my scripts. Okay, see, this is a test path. So I have defined the path where I have to put my scripts. Another thing is task definition. Let's see whether it is correct or not. So here is a definition. Uh, JMeter class path org. See, it look fine. Don't make any changes here. Next, go to run. Say here run. Now see, we have, it is fine that JMeter home is fine, and the test path should be our, say, I will define it as star. Why I am defining it as star? So in the test path, all the files ending with JMX should run. Star means everything. Okay, so in the test path, what the path I have given for my folder, all the files ending with JMX should run. Okay, and this is our log file name. The log file name will be generated with test.jtl. Okay, we just need to make these two changes now that it pick up the scripts from some folders. And here you can see we have reports also. So at the end it will generate as a XSLT report also. You don't have to make any changes, it is good. Just save it and close it. Control S and let me close it. Okay, now launch your command prompt and go to extra directory. Okay, copy it, paste it here, cd. Okay, not pasting. So I forgot to paste it in our folder JMeter script. I have pasted a script here, that is assertion.jmx. Now go to command prompt and just give the command end. See, it is executing my test plan now. Okay, okay, it is running my script. See, now it came to our XSLT reports. Okay, and it has generated our XSLT reports also. Okay, let's see. Let's see what are all the reports. See, Collabs JTL report has been generated. A test report, that is XSLT type of report, has been generated. Let me open it. These reports got generated, and multiple rows reports has been generated here. You can open this test.jtl report from your Apache. Okay, what I can do, you can even say run multiple scripts here. Okay, let me run it and show you. I delete this result. Okay, let me delete it. Go here. Okay, Apache main. Sorry, JMeter. Oh, where it gone? Sorry, this could have created multiple issues. Okay, JMeter go bin. Let me take 2 3 files. So let me take spare let me see controller, and let me take functions. Okay, and let me take this, copy it, go here, go to our JMeter script, paste it. I have deleted the previous results. Now just ls. Now let me run it. ANT. See, it should work fine. I am doing everything practical in front of you only. See, test execution started. Okay, build failed. Might be some issue has occurred. Okay, it was test.jtl does not exit. Okay, actually we have deleted it. Just wait. There was some issue. Now it ran fine. Okay, and all the reports have been generated here perfectly. Okay, getting the things. See, all got generated. So this is how we can run our script with the help of Ant. Okay, if you have any issues, let us know. Thank you.